Lokusayindwa kwesivumelwano emkhathini walamadolobha lamabili kudolobha lakaManzini nalokudolobha lakaMatsapa ekuthenile amadolobha langakesaleke asemelisana kuthiwa kutawuletha-ke imiphumela lemihle kulandzela ukuthi inqubo yemisebenti lenteka khona-ke kaManzini iyefanana naleyo lenteka khona-ke kuMatsapa kungako kubalulekile ukuthi lamadolobha lamabili asebenzisana aphindze alekelelane. Umeya wedolobha lakaManzini uthithe kusebenzisana emkhathini walamadolobha lamabili sekuthithe isikhathi lesithe kakhulu kufuna ngabe yini vele kade-ke yenteka ngako kuyathokoza ukuthi namuhla sebagcine bayisayinda sona ngesivumelwano ukuthi sale basebenzisana.
The results of our most recent external customer satisfaction survey bear testimony that indeed we have improved tremendously. The concept of town twinning, also referred to as sister city relationship, began in Europe after World War II. The objective was to repair broken relationships between Europe and other countries. The best way to achieve that was through cities. I'm happy that the twinning relationship that we are entering into today is not meant to mend broken relations, but it is instead meant to improve the quality of life of our cities.
Meya wedolobha lakaMatsapa make Aliziruso usithi lokusayina-ke kokusebenzisana emkhathini walamadolobha lamabili kuvele kuhambisana nalo ncamashi iphupho lengwenyama la 2022 kulandzela ukuthi kutawuletha-ke intuthuko kule khonsako.
I think we are now accomplishing what the King said we should do as in accordance with Vision 2022. Sawungena kahle ku Vision 2022 sesicathuza ngithi ngesiswati siyacathuza and we are baby stepping into 2022 and we have baby stepped in a very accomplishing manner which is very exciting for both towns. We will call Manzini our elder sister as they are more advanced from us. They are our elder sister. And all I can say is, in unity is power, but togetherness is strength.
Lamadolobha ke lamabili ke kubhekekile ukuthi ke alekelelane ngato ke tintfo tekusebenta nangawo ke emakhono lehlukahlukene. Etindzabeni temsakato yeMaswati Channel ngeGary Carlos ngacela impilo Dlamini sikaManzini.